On August 31st, 1888, in the Whitechapel section of London, the body of a young woman was found on the street. She had been disemboweled. Her abdomen had been cut open. Her sexual organs removed. It was the first in a long line of murders by a serial killer. A sadist they called Jack the Ripper. His victims were women, prostitutes, all butchered in the same horrible way. The only witnesses were the victims themselves, and they remained silent. Because forensic science had not yet been born, Jack the Ripper had gotten away with murder. But today, the forensic pathologist has the tools to interpret the language of the dead with amazing accuracy. In his world, the dead reveal their secrets to the living through the mysteries of the autopsy.